Aloha! This is our third video in our series on how to file and pay the state and local taxes that are due on rental income received from Oahu or Hawaii real estate. The first two videos showed how to file and pay the GET and TAT, and this third video shows us how to pay the OTAT, that is the Oahu Transit Accommodation Tax. That tax goes to the city and county of Honolulu, and we go to honolulu.gov/OTAT pay. And I prepared a series of screenshots that walk us through. So this is the website, how it looks, online by credit card, debit card, or ACH. I'd like to pay with ACH. That links directly from my checking account. There's no cost, but you can also pay with credit card or debit card. There is an extra fee. I don't recommend it, but it's up to you. I accept, and that gets us into the login screen. Now, if this is your first time ever, then you do not have a username or password yet. So we will have to first register. Click down here on the bottom, register now, and they will ask you for your name, for your transit accommodation, account number, and how to select a username and a secure password, and some security questions, and make sure you write down your password and your login name. And once you've done that, then you move on to the payment method. You can link a bank account here. That's what I'm going to do. Bank account, checking, type, name on the account, bank routing number, and bank account number, confirm the account number, and click submit. Once you've done that, then registration is complete. Then you can click login now, and that takes you to a login screen where we first initially were. Type in your username, type in your password, and click login, and now we're ready to go. Choose the account. So it should auto-populate the one which you just set up, which is the OTAT account with your name. Click that's the one you want to pay, and pay now, and that will get you to the next screen. It will auto-populate the account number, the account name, and this is a long screen, so I broke it down into two screenshots. Put in your email address, filing period. So that would be 2 digits for the month / 4 digits for the year. The gross amount that is taxable, if you're not sure how to calculate that, review our article on our blog, and that would be the transit accommodation taxable income that you need to put in here. And there's no deduction, so that was the taxable amount. It calculates 3%. That would be the amount that is due. And we're filing TA1, which is the periodic return, and not TA2, which is the reconciliation return at the end of the year. So TA1, we are not amending the return, so click next. This shows the amount again. There's no fee because I used the banking, the ACH option, amount due, and I click here. This is the checking account that I already had set up. If you want to select a different payment method, you can modify that here, but I already decided I want to pay with ACH. Click next, and confirmation. It shows transit accommodation account number. It shows today's date. It shows the filing period. It shows the amount that is taxable, TA1, and it shows, if I scroll down, it shows the amount that's due, and that will be pulled from my checking account right here. And once I click pay, I pay. Click, and success, receipt. It went through. Click on details, and it shows me a reference number. It shows me when I paid, and my account information, and so on. No fees, and if I ever wanted to go back, I can always go on the left here and click payment history, payment activity, and look up what I have done. I also did get an email because that's how I had it set it up. And that's all for now. And if you have any other questions about real estate, go to hawaiiliving.com. Mahalo and aloha.